In this video, we're going to break down the 5 specific trends that are going to dominate the clip art market in 2026, plus the major algorithm update that are going to help your shop stay visible. I'm going to get straight to the point because I know that time is the most valuable thing you have. But before we hit the data, I have a personal goal. I am pushing to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of next month. If you find one piece of value in this video, please hit that subscribe button because it would mean the world to me. Now let's get into that research. I've pulled today's insights from a deep dive into what's working on Etsy right now, along with Pinterest predictions for 2026. Okay, so the first trend blowing up is called Gimme Gummy. It sounds kind of funny, but this is all about tactile sensory assets and visual ASMR. We are moving away from those basic flat colors and moving toward what's called inflated geometry. So basically this means that your clip art should look like it's filled with air or made of soft rubber. Think about creating sets of pill-shaped icons, squishy-looking alphabet letters, or glossy gummy bears that look like you could squeeze them right off the screen. To really make these sell, you want to use layered gradients and sharp high-gloss highlights to get that perfect jelly-like or glassy surface. Another big tip for this style is to build soft shadows directly into your PNG files. So this stimulates volume and makes the art look 3D, which is exactly what people are looking for right now for things like phone case designs, stickers. Okay, so next up is Poetcore. So this one taps directly into the literary girl and BookTok communities. For clip art sellers, this is a huge opportunity to create junk journal, ephemera, and digital planner stickers for viewers who want to romanticize their reading life. Your sets should feature individual PNGs of things like pressed flowers, vintage typewriters, stacks of old library books, and messy handwritten script. Think about the bookish aesthetic. Technically, you want to focus on imperfect textures rather than clean lines. So using a moody palette of plum noir or jade gives your clip art that cozy intellectual atmosphere that is dominating social media feeds right now. On the flip side is Funhouse or Playful Maximalism. Think of this as a circus themed but redesigned for a cool eclectic home. For Clipart creators, this is all about going big and bold. When you're building these sets, you want to focus on classic patterns like thick circus tent stripes, oversized polka dots, and fun scallop borders. The goal here is to get away from thin, delicate lines and instead create chunky sculptural silhouettes that really command attention on a page. You're looking for high contrast primary colors, like a really bright red paired with a soft hazy green or a deep cobalt blue. They are perfect for designers that are making nursery decor, maximalist wall art, or even fun over-the-top party invitation templates. It's all about bringing that sense of circus, but make it high fashion. If you want to tap into the Y2K aesthetic, look at Extra Celestial. This trend is all about that futuristic year 2000 nostalgia. So think holographic stickers, chrome alien heads, and opalescent starburst. You'll want to use that retro 80s inspired cosmic gradients and abstract shapes that look like they're glowing or suspended in light. This alien core vibe is peaking right now for tech accessories and Y2K style social media branding. We are also seeing a huge surge in the Glamourati movement, which is basically a return to bold, unapologetic luxury. For clip art sellers, this means treating leopard print like a wild neutral because it's a pattern that never really goes out of style. Instead of just basic animal spots, you want to pair leopard print PNGs with other trendy elements. So for example, you can try mixing leopard patterns with coquette style items like red cherries and soft watercolor bows. Just like our other trends, the key here is texture. Flat leopard prints won't sell as well as assets that look like they have real depth. So think digital textures that mimic fluffy faux fur, sparkling glitter, or high-end leather. Okay, so now let's talk about strategy. Etsy's algorithm just went through a massive change. As of February of 2026, keyword stuffing isn't recommended. Etsy now uses AI to read your titles just like a human would. So if your title is just a long list of random words and commas, you're gonna get penalized. The new rule of thumb is to keep your titles short. Under 15 words is the sweet spot. So you can start your title with the main noun, like gummy bear clip art, and then only add the 3 most important details. Also, Etsy is really pushing video content right now. So to help your shop rank higher, make sure you're including videos of your clip art, like a screen recording of you using it in a digital planner or a quick mock-up of it on a product. This is a huge boost for your shop's quality score. Guys, make sure all your assets are delivered as high resolution PNGs with transparent backgrounds. Buyers want plug and play assets for sublimation and journaling. If you are wondering how I actually generate all of these high quality assets in bulk, I'm putting a video on the screen right now where I show you exactly how I do it using my own custom tool, my AI color book. It is the fastest way I've found to create professional trend ready collections without spending hours on a single design. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.